If you love Algorand, if you're Algorand holder, if you follow Algorand on a weekly basis, or if you just love Algorand, this video is for you. So pay attention to this message. And also the price is down right now, so it's definitely some opportunity there. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more information, help grow your bank account and help grow your brand. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, Algorand, as in right now, is down to about 81 cents, and it's got as high as about $1.71 back in February. Algorand has so much potential, mainly because the problems they actually are solving. It is a self-sustaining, decentralized, blockchain-based network that supports a wide range of applications. And one of those things is it's going to be with technology with the future of finance. The ecosystem and use cases is on point. I'm telling you, I love the ecosystem of this as well. I like what it stands for. I like exactly the use cases that is definitely involved in with all the financial services and all the things that's around here that you see on this page here. Now, one part I did not cover in my last Algorand video was the foundation, the building the borderless economy. They all about really fulfilling the global promise of the blockchain technology. You want to take a look at this. I'll actually have the link in the description box that talks more about the Algorand Foundation, how the decentralized the Algorand governance is going to be, and also more about the ecosystem. And the thing about algorithm is, to me, is very, very underrated, and people just really, I think people are kind of sleeping on Algorand. Now, if you hold an Algorand, you probably already know the power of this and the future of this as well. And based off the Twitter page, hey, look at this as well. This connector enables SAP, and they're talking about the API connector between Algorand and SAP is now live. This connector enables SAP users to seamlessly tap into the blockchain that provides the ability to scale to billions of users. Billion of user speed required for today's business. Need more? Click here. I saw this right on their Twitter page, and I start smiling. So if you're an Algorand holder, or you're a person that really loves the use cases and the ability of the future of finances, you're going to love this as well. So I saw this on the Twitter page earlier just today because I was trying to see if the Twitter is growing. I want to see any news that's happening there. The followers is over 100,000. So it's definitely a page and an action account that's growing each and every single time. But one area that I didn't talk about as much, like I was talking about before, it was the foundation. I found this very, very interesting because they're more than just about the future of finance. The future of finance. They're more about that. They're a lot more about that in the ecosystem, in the technology. They actually want to really change the game. They want to change the industry. They want to change the way we do business. And actually, to me, I think Algorand, and you can buy Algorand. By the way, you can buy Algorand if you're interested in buying this on Coinbase. I have the link right in the description box. Go right to Coinbase, and you can go ahead and take advantage of it. Let me show you how you'll do that. So you go right here, this Coinbase. You can get it on Coinbase Pro. You also can get it on Coinbase in terms of the actually website as well. So you can go to Coinbase and check it out. Algorand, get started. Absolutely. So the thing about I want to tell you about, hold on, let me see. Let me check here. I think it's changing me to the exchange page. But anyway, let me go back into what I was saying. Future of finance, Algorand. I'm really excited about this project. I really like also, one area I want to show you I like about it. It is the partner program. I like the partner program because it's all about helping other people and also connecting other systems and technologies together. And just like it says here, Algorand's partner program is created to help you along your path to blockchain adoption. This is what they want, blockchain adoption. They're all about the adoption here. And so the partner program, they're part of that. Of course, the ecosystem, I think, is probably one of my favorite things about it. And I showed that in the last video. We talked about more about the ecosystem and the overview of it with technical, financial institutions or infrastructures, ecosystem applications, which is all over here. And also we have the university partners and the key stakeholders, which is going to be right here. So check out Algorand. If you don't have it, do your research. Definitely not telling you to do anything with this. I'm doing a video based off of all the Algorand holders and just want to show you the fact, hey, if you have this, you should be feeling really, really good right now, because this is a powerful asset that's going to be doing really good things in the future based off the research I gathered. Now, one area that I did not cover is this. Let me show you one more area I did not cover, and I should have covered it last time, was Algorand, where they're talking about this right here. Now, it looks like they're going to be coming. It says Planet Watch is coming on BitNix. So this is something, an Algorand standard asset is coming to BitNix. So this is another area that I did not cover as much. So pay attention to this as well. The Planet Watch is coming. So yeah, check this out as well. They're doing good things on their standard asset. That's another area that I wanted to cover as well. And one more thing here. It's always stuff coming on here. The price. That's the final thing I want to say. The price, 79 cents. No, this is not financial advice, but do your research. If you're interested in getting this, check out the description box. I have it there. Coinbase can hook you up right there. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.